Hello everyone, I'm Janine from Cuno Design and welcome to my channel in this tutorial. And this is the first tutorial 2020 and the first tutorial in English. The tutorials before that I made whatever were in English, not in English, they're in German, and there's not easy for me to switch the language. And I hope so much that that every one of you understand me. In this tutorial, I show you how to use the LUT patch, the fast color LUT, and we make kind of camera filters with that, and it's so simple and so easy, and I hope you enjoy this little tutorial. And yeah, let's start. Before we start with the tutorial, I will show you how to make a LUT in Photoshop. And hello, and to have a reference, I make a screenshot of my image, my face, and this is the LUT. We use the neutral LUT, and I take my picture. It's a little bit weird over this, just to have a reference. I have to look like whatever. Okay. I start with an experimental idea. Make it a little bit extreme. So this is a green reddish thing, and this is very cool in Photoshop. You can use this color lookup, and there you have 3D LUT data, and you can upload a preset, or you can choose one of these, and I want to choose this Fuji. This is how I want to look like when I use this Fuji lookup, and this is how I want to look like in Spark AR when I use this experimental curve thingy. Okay, now I have yes. Important is that you use the PNG, and we call it test 1. And this one, Fuji, and as PNG. Okay, so now I open this in the library and start with an canvas and put a rectangle in that, right? Size has to be filled, and in material it's LUT matte. Oops, not matte, matte. And we call that a LUT, right? And you put a patch, a texture patch here, and these two textures too. We will test. Okay. Under the camera, you need this texture extraction right here. And now there is an patch group called Fast Color LUT. Put it in here. It's okay. Use the camera texture, and we test it with test 1. And yeah, switch it together here. And you see, it looks very similar to what you see in the Photoshop preset. Switch that to Fuji, and also it looks very good. I love this simple solution. I hope you enjoyed this little tutorial. The next tutorial will be also pretty simple and fast. It's about when you have the problem you want to make more retouch, that you can tap the retouch and 20% retouch or 50 or 70. How you can switch between them. And yeah, this was my first tutorial in English. I have no idea. It's so sorry for this broken English. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. And yes, thanks a lot.